Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to view photos and videos on your PlayStation 5 using a USB stick. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you want to go ahead and watch movies, videos, or photos on your PlayStation 5 using a USB stick, this is very easy to do. However, first I need to go ahead and get the files on my USB stick and format it properly so it works on the PlayStation. So I am going to use my computer now and transfer over some files. Alright, so with the device now plugged in, let's go up to File Explorer and open this up. And then when you plug in the USB stick, it should open up just like this. And this will be the D drive on my computer. On your computer, it may be a little bit different, so just go ahead and verify the correct drive before formatting it. So I know it's the USB D drive, so I'm going to go ahead and select it right here, then right click on it, then go down to format, and we have to make sure it's exFAT default. So go to the file system. If it's NTFS, go ahead and switch it over to exFAT. Go to that and go to start for the format. Now if you already have it in the exFAT format, you should be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly format this now. Go to OK. It says all the data will be erased. So if you have anything on your USB drive, just go ahead and transfer it over to your computer and then transfer it back over later. So let's go to OK. Now my format is complete. Let's go back over to my drive. So here's my USB drive. And we have to make a folder in here. Otherwise it won't work if we just drop in and drag specific files. So let's go to right click, go to new, let's go to folder, and just type in PS5 videos and photos. Just like that. Doesn't really matter what we name it, we just have to have a folder. Then let's find some stuff to put in that folder. So let's go to my work drive here, and then let's go to my completed videos. So here are some videos of me doing stuff on YouTube. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy one of these over to my D drive. Then go to my folder and paste it in here and let this copy on over. So you can also do this with music as well if you want to listen to music while you're playing video games. So I usually just watch videos like if I download something and then put it on my PlayStation. So let's switch this over to my PlayStation now. So I'm going to take out the USB drive, then bring it over to my PlayStation 5. Now to actually watch this, what we have to do is go to the capture gallery or the media gallery. So I like to just press and hold down the share button and open up this screen where it says take screenshot. Then go over to my recent screenshot or video. Then just go down to go to media gallery and select this. Then on the right side of the screen, you should have an option that says USB now. Then here's the folder I just made, PS5 videos and photos. Let's select this. Now under here, my video I just transferred should show up. So it says 100% fix, Warzone copy and add-on, blah, blah, blah. So let's select this. Now we can go ahead and play this. And this is the video that I just transferred over to my PlayStation 5. So if you want to watch like movies you downloaded off the internet or something like that, it's very easy to do on your PlayStation 5. So hopefully this quick tutorial video did indeed help you guys out. Go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.
This is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in the studio, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix the copy and add-ons issue in Call of Duty Warzone 100.